Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll explore the compensation package for members of camera and drone PAT teams. You will learn about common components such as base pay, overtime pay, hazard pay, travel reimbursement, per diem, lodging, equipment allowance, and training support. Then we'll test your knowledge with a practice question and finally recap the key points. Let's get started. First, let's look at all the possible components you might see in a compensation package for camera and drone PAT members. Now it's time for a practice question. Which of the following components are part of the compensation package for camera and drone PAT members? Select all that apply. A. Per diem and lodging. B. Hazard pay. C. Travel reimbursement. D. Equipment maintenance allowance. E. Life insurance stipend. Let's evaluate each option one by one. Option A is per diem and lodging. That covers daily living costs on assignment, so it is definitely included. Option B is hazard pay. When operations are risky, team members get extra pay, so this is also included. Option C is travel reimbursement. Teams often travel to remote sites, and travel costs are reimbursed, so this is included. Option D is equipment maintenance allowance. That covers repair and upkeep of cameras and drones, so it is included. Option E is a life insurance stipend. That is not part of the standard PAT compensation package. Let's recap. The components that are included in the compensation package are per diem and lodging, hazard pay, travel reimbursement, and equipment maintenance allowance. Life insurance stipend is not included. Great job working through this question. Now, you know how to identify the key components of a compensation package for camera and drone PAT members.